What if an AI could scan the crypto market 24/7 and alert you only when there is real arbitrage opportunity? Sounds too good to be true? Right. Well, in this video, I am putting an AI-powered Telegram signal bot to the test in a live trading session. No simulations, no fake screenshots, just real signal, real market condition, and real results. You'd see exactly how the bot identifies profitable arbitrage opportunities, how I execute the trade step by step, and whether the profit actually holds up in real time. If you've ever wondered whether AI can give you an edge in crypto trading, you don't want to miss what happens next. Let's jump straight into it. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If this is the first time you're joining us, please do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever we release new content, you would see them. Now, the first thing you'd want to do is for you watching from YouTube, all you just have to do is click on the link that I will provide. I'll provide the link to this Telegram bot on the description side, but you can come to the browser, come to your browser, open a new page, and then paste in the Telegram link, the Telegram bot link. Now this is going to bring you to something like this. All you just have to do is just click on the stats. It will take you out and ask you to open your Telegram app. Now, as you can see here, sorry, let's do this again. I'm here, and the next thing to do will be just click on start. And once you click on start, it's going to ask you to select what market you want to use, whether you're looking for signals for forex, or you're looking for signals for crypto, or you're looking for signals for stock. Now for this video, I'm going to do crypto. So the next thing to do will be just click on the crypto. Now he's going to ask you what DEX you want to use or DeFi platform you want to use. Now it has Uniswap, SushiSwap, KuiperSwap, Valeris, Trader Joe, PancakeSwap. I think they would add more later. They said something like that on their Twitter page. Now for this video, I would go with Valeris Network. And my reason for going with Valeris Network is mainly because I have noticed that I have subscribed for Uniswap before. And I used it for a while. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. I was still making some gain, but Valeris was giving me way more gain than I could get from Uniswap. So let's go ahead. Next thing I did was the next thing to do is to click on the Valeris network. Then you will now have to subscribe. Now these signals are subscription based. It is not free. So the next thing to do is to click on the subscribe. Once you click on the subscribe, you have three different packages here. One, you have the monthly package, the yearly package, and a lifetime package. Now the monthly package is just approximately $37, 37 USDT. Now the yearly package is about 400 USDT, which is actually gain for you if you're buying it the yearly. But I like to subscribe for yearly. I have this bot running on my other Telegram account, which I use most times in making my videos, but I wanted to show you guys the complete steps on how to set up the bot and start using it. So that's why I used a new Telegram account to do this. Sorry, a Telegram account that I've not run the bot on already. So for me, for this, I like to pick the yearly. You can go with the monthly or lifetime if you feel too good about it. But I advise to hold on the lifetime first. Probably just use the monthly or the yearly first for a while and then see how favorable it is for you. Then you can now decide to go for the lifetime. Now once you're here, all you just have to do is select your plan. I'm selecting the yearly because of one reason. The monthly gives you 3 requests per day, so which means you get only 3 signals in a day. And for me, and sometimes I want to get more than just 3 signals in a day, so I prefer doing the yearly, because for me it is cheaper. If you add the $37 multiplied by 12, that's way more than 400 USDT. Plus, at the end of the day, you get up to 10 requests per day. That you get 10 signals per day. Now, I click on this. Then it's going to ask me what network I want to use to pay. You will always pay in USDT. USDT is the fee they accept, but they accept USDT in BSC, USDT in Base, USDT in AVAX, USDT in Polygon, and then USDT in Tron network. I'll be doing USDT on BNB. Because that's where I probably have a little USDT that I can use for this video. Now the next thing it's going to do is just pop out this what they call it, the payment page for you. Here you can scan your wallet, you can scan the wallet address and then make the payment, or you can just copy out the address. This is the the payment address, the payment wallet. So you can copy it out or scan. Scanning is best for me. So let me just get my other phone and then make this payment. Okay. Trust wallet. Okay. Just hold on, please. I don't want to cut any part of this video. I just want to do everything so you would watch me do it live. The trust wallet is login. USDT send. Okay. 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 All right. Okay. So here's okay. Okay. All right. All right. I've sent. I've sent it. It's actually processing. And it's gone. It's gone. So the payment has been sent. Let's just see if our system is going to update this fast. And as you can see, the system has updated it. So it's a payment confirmed, your BNB chain, blah 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 blah, and the rest. Now it brings me back to the platform selection part or form. So all I have to do is just click on Valeris again, and this time we will not be asked to subscribe again because we've already subscribed. Now we're in. Now the next thing you want to do here is choose the platform that you want to trade, that you want to get your or you want to work on, whether you want to use Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, Avalanche, Base, because these are the main networks that are actually on Valeris Network. So you can choose any of them, or you can just randomly do any network. So for this I'll just do random. Now, once we're here, the next thing I want to do is choose what service I want to use. Now, these are the services that Valeris Network provides. They provide liquidity pools as farming liquidity, options, margin, AI trading, AI strategies, and then arbitrage. For this video, I'm going to concentrate on arbitrage. So click on arbitrage. Give this a few seconds, generating, getting the stuff. Now, we found an arbitrage opportunity, and this is Kronos on Ethereum network. Now, once we've gotten this, it is telling us the amount we should, suggesting the capital that we can put in to make good profits, and then it is showing us the price. This is the price outside. It is more expensive outside, say maybe like on Trust Wallet or maybe Uniswap, then it is cheaper on the Valeris network. So the next thing I want to just do here is exit out of this, and come to my browser. Once I come to my browser, I am going to go to CoinMarketCap because we need to get the contract address for the Kronos. Once we're here, all you just have to do is search for CRO, right? Not CRP, CRO, the Kronos. Now, once we've gotten it, just pick on it, select it, and allow the page to load first. And once this is loaded, just scroll down a bit and then copy out the contract address. And once this is done, we can exit out of this and then go to our Trust Wallet. Let me authenticate my Trust Wallet. Now this is my Trust Wallet, and I have a few balance here in my Trust Wallet. And the next thing to do is just click on the Discover. So once you click on Discover, at the search box here, just type in Valeris.network and click Enter. Oh, sorry. It was supposed to be Valeris.network. I just found. Sorry. Close out. Let's open it again. We'll come to Discover. Type in Valeris.network and then hit Enter. Give this a few seconds to load the page. Now we are connected. Now, first thing you want to do when you come to Valeris Network will be to connect your wallet to the platform. Now it is simple. All you just have to do is click and follow the prompt. I'm already connected here, so if I click on this now, you'll see it's asking me to disconnect my wallet. I don't want to do that. And to verify more that I'm connected here, I can just click on my wallet here, and then it will show that I'm connected here. As you can see, this is my wallet here. I'm connected. Now once this is out of the way, the second thing you want to do is make sure that you're on the right network, because the bot showed us to trade on Ethereum, so we're going to be doing that. The next thing to do is just click on the menu and then click on swap. Once you click on swap, once you're here, the first thing you want to do is just do, since I have USDT at the bottom here, I'll just toggle it because I want to use USDT to buy this asset. I'll toggle it and then I click on the DYDX and then paste the contract address that we just copied. As you can see, it is in here and it's asking me to import the token. So the next thing I do is click on import, give this a few seconds. And as you can see, Kronos has been imported into our platform, into the platform. Now, once this is done, the next thing to do will be to provide the quantity of USDT that you'll be swapping for Kronos. Now, for this video, I'll be providing 4,500 USDT. I know this is below the amount that the AI suggested we start with, but this is the much I can provide. And I believe the AI is giving that capital to invest in because it's trying to allow you maximize your profit. Now, if you have that much, you can do, but if you don't, you can still do something close, but make sure it's something close so you don't end up spending or losing your entire money to just gas fee. Now, the next thing to do is click on the swap and click confirm and give this a few seconds to process. And as you can see, a swap has been successful and we're able to swap 4,500 USDT to 104,077 Kronos token. The next thing to do is just close this. And as you can see, we can confirm that our Kronos balance is available here. Once this is done, the next thing to do is to exit out of this platform. I don't know why my Trust Wallet keeps logging me out completely. Now, once we exit out, let's just give this a few seconds so my Kronos balance is going to show on my Trust Wallet. Just give it a few seconds. This shouldn't take much time, just wait for it, give it a few seconds. Once the Kronos balance reflects, we can proceed to the next step, which is to swap it back to USDT on our Trust Wallet. You can do this as well on Uniswap or any other platform that actually has something close to the expected arbitrage price that we saw there. Just give this a few seconds. And this is taking it is taking a long time actually to update this token that we just now, as you can see. But before you even go further, just pay attention. Our balance actually increased, and as you can see here, we are seeing about 5,600 Kronos token worth here. So the next thing to do is just come here, come to the swap, click on the swap. Now, once you're here, the next thing to do is to select what token you want to swap your Kronos to. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to select USDT. So we'll search for USDT, and then we'll search for USDT Ethereum because we're on an Ethereum network. And once that is provided, all we just have to do is to click on the max. So this is going to bring out the entire Kronos token that we just bought, and then do the swap on Trust Wallet. Give us a few seconds. As you can see, the order has been completed, so click on done. We come back to our home. Our Kronos is still showing here. I just want to wait until we get our USDT balance here, so we know that we have successfully swapped the token. Just give it a few seconds for the transaction we just did to properly reflect on our wallet. Just hold on. I don't want to pause or cut this video because I want you to see the entire live demo of how this process was completed. So just give it a few seconds so we can have our wallet updated. Now this is taking a bit longer. I don't want this to make the video too long, but I'd rather have us watch this happen live than trying to just make the video short. So be patient. If you've been here this long already, you're already having the kick of the deal, so just a little patience and I'm sure it will pay off. Just hold on. I know this is taking unusually long, but just give it a few seconds. Voila, as you can see, we have successfully made some good profit trading arbitrage using our arbitrage bot. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so that when next we release new content, you would be informed. And also, if the video was helpful, do like. And also, if you have questions or any inquiry, drop them in the comment section. I'll be there to assist. Until next time, stay safe.